intros and outros, I swear, just disappear off my drives. But welcome back. This is a Dollar Tree haul, multiple stores, couple days combined. So yeah, definitely subscribe and enjoy, and definitely write down what you guys want to find, because there's a lot of goodies in this video. We're back. Sorry, new background because I'm on like a little at my aunt's for a few days, and of course I went to some of her Dollar Trees, and this is what we found so far. So first off, we got these locker room men's dry fresh socks, and you get 3 pairs in here, I think. Yeah, 3 pairs, and for $1.50, these are pretty nice too, and they're definitely stretchy. So yeah, so we got this pair. Then we got this pair, and this is the brand. We got this pair, so these are dark blue and like gray. So we got these. And then the last set we got is grays. And yeah, random. We got that. Then, finally, I found the new limited edition hand creams. These are Brazilian Flora and Brazilian Soul, grapefruit and lychee, and pistachio and caramel. So that sounds pretty good for hand cream scents. So I got that. Then the little Method, you get 3.4 fluid ounces, and this is in cucumber. And I got the shampoo, the little shampoo, and then the little conditioner. So for $1.25, pretty good travel, for travel. So we got that. Then the dry wash Vagisil and white jasmine. Girlies, there's 2 cents now. This one and the other one. So we got that. Then we got some new Maybelline lipsticks. So this one is on Fire Red. On Fire Red. Then this one is Siren and Scarlet. You guys can see that. And these are $1.25. Not a penny. I know some of this packaging used to be a penny. This is Plum Roll. Super pretty. And then our last Maybelline is Sunset Spark. So really all reds and like a purpley color. Then found the new scents. Again, this is the Sunset Breeze, the glitter, and then Peach Fizz glitter. I love the glitter. So we got those. Then I got the Novelty World Squishy Sugar Goldfish. Yes, I finally found it. I'm so excited about it. So we got that. Let's actually open it up and squish it. Gotta be good squishy. Guys. Oh yeah, this is worth $1.75. So I got that. Yes, I did. Then I got these pop-up sponges. They expand in water. I was very intrigued by these, and you get 3 in here. Best for non-stick pans and tile and countertops. Clean and sanitize and dishwasher. So, pretty interesting. So, we got those. Then, we got the Mirth Beauty Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Glow Boosting and Nourishing Daily Face Cream. So I've never seen this before until literally when I was at the store. It was in the Mother's Day collection, and it says lightly pat a nickel-sized amount between your fingers and massage gently in an upward motion onto a clean face and neck morning and evening. So this is that. Let's see the packaging. Yeah, I could not believe this when I saw this. I was like, I've never seen this on TikTok or anything, and this is what it looks like. So we got that. Then the last thing for right now is I finally found the Fruity Pebble cosmetic brush set. Like, are we kidding? Like, I was stoked. I was like, this has been out for a couple years now. I remember seeing it on TikTok. But yeah, we got these little brushes. You get 4, so I guess face and eyes. But yeah, powder brush, blender, shadow, and eyeliner. So I'm super stoked about this. And these were $1.25. But that is it for now. I cannot wait to do more shopping while I'm here and see what else I can find. But for now, I'm pretty pleased. Bag number 2. So we got these Kathy Ireland 2 pairs, size shoe 4 to 10 socks, and this is the set I got. So you get this one. It's like stripes. Can you see that? And like this little print. So we got that set, and then I got this blue stripe, and then like these polka dots, and they are stretchy, so it's a good thing. Got that. Then I have something in my eye. Then I got the pink Wiggler toy because I don't know why these are so satisfying, but they really are. So we just got this pink squishy toy. Got that. Then we got the Retained Clinical Results Curling Enhancing Spray with biotin. Reactivates and refreshes waves and curls. Sorry, I don't know why I brought it. But we got this, and you get 8 ounces in here, so this is pretty nice. So we got that. Then we got the Body by PHT, whatever. The Calm Down Hydrating Daily Body Lotion with Yang Lang and Palo Santo. I butchered all of that, but this is a name brand, obviously, that we know of, heard of, whatever. So we got this. Let's actually smell it. I'm kind of interested in what it smells like. Oh, it smells really good. So got that, and this is the body lotion. Then we got the VO5 Hair Care Miracle Leave-In Product Absolute 10 Detangling Spray. Reduces frizz, detangles, and restores. I need all of that for this. So we got that. So that is that bag. On to the next. Why am I doing this? Who knows? We got our $5 bag filled with Dollar Tree stuff because the $1 try went to charge it for bags, so you have to bring your own. So $5 bag. How funny. Anyway. So I finally found the Spa Luxury Brazilian Soul Lip Butter, and this is in Brazilian Soul. I was so excited to finally find these, and we're trying this right now because I just have to know. Oh, it smells just like it. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, highly recommend getting this. So this is in the original scent, Brazilian Soul. Then we got the Brazilian Hibiscus lip butter. Got that one. Then receipt. Then I did get the $5 spray fan, and it missed. So I was like, for $5, I'm getting this. So it's a fan and a mist, which for the summer, definitely taking this to the beach. So got that. Then we got this chocolate, which I thought was so cool looking. So got that, and it's in like light pink. So then, how funny is this? By Van Holten's Pickle in a Pouch. Stick a fork in it. So it's a literal pickle fork. I love pickles. So I thought this was hilarious for $1.25. So we got that. Adjustable ring, a fork, and a holder. This is what's all included in it. So yeah, you know what? Fantastic. Then I got Let's Fix It paper tape. This isn't for me, but still showing it in case you need it. Then, oh, I got 2 of those. Then I got my Fair Medium Glow Up Contour, because this is my all-time favorite contour from them. I mean, from Dollar Tree, so got that. Then, another receipt, who cares? Don't remember putting this in here. This is the Sippin' Pretty Softening Lip Balm in Lime. I do like this scent, so glad we got that. Then we got the Juicy Pomegranate Daisy. For $1.25, this is a bargain, so we got that for the beach bag to go with the beach bag. Then I got the mattifying primer. I like this collection, so again, I got this for my beach bag. So we got the primer and the setting spray. I'm a fan, so in the beach bag it goes. Then finally, got some new stuff. I finally found the new Power Stick. What is this? Hand lotion, hand soap. Why did I say hand lotion? So this is in lemongrass lullaby, lemongrass, verbena, and lime peel. So pretty excited for that. So we got that one. And then we got the Pink Petals and Pearls liquid hand soap. This is Pink Panini, Rose, and Lily. Got that one. And then we got Rosemary Romance and Rosemary Eucalyptus and White Musk. So that is that bag. I'm pretty satisfied with that, if I'm going to be honest. Especially with the pickle holder. Yeah. And just like my intro, don't know where my outro went, but that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely found some goodies. So definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for. Ask me on the hunt for what videos you want to see from me. And I'll see you all in the next video.